Before anything else, let me first welcome you to my channel. Thank you for being here and watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates on my channel. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and share it with your friends, families, relatives, and other social platforms. For today's video is about the Israel Defense Force History Museum, which is located in Tel Aviv at the old railway station. It is very interesting and suited for children. I got lots of pictures and videos taken inside the museum, but because of some reasons, I only shared a few. There are 19 pavilions and sheds. You will see pistols, armed fighting vehicles, anti-aircraft guns, rifles, and machine guns, and many more. If you are interested to see and visit the museum, I recommend you to please take an audio guide from the cashier. The entrance is 10 shekels only, and the audio guide is another 10 shekels. The audio guide will explain everything you see inside the museum. If the cashier will recommend or will offer you to visit the 5 museums in just 20 shekels, take the offer. It's worth the visit. The second museum is across the street. It is called the Etzel House. It is a 5 minutes walk from the first museum that we saw. It is near the sea. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my 2 minutes video. I am so grateful and thankful for the love and support. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.